Welcome. Today, we will be going through email forwarding and sending on Spookhost. Enter the control panel. Click on the email forwarding option. Here, enter your domain name and your current email address. Check your inbox for a verification email. Enter the required info. You can now create custom email addresses. To correctly forward emails, we have to set up a few records. Click on the Max Records option. Enter the required records. Input value into the server name field. Please remove the dot at the end of the server name and the priority. Do the same for the second max record. Next, we need to set up the SPF record. Click on the SPF records option. Input the recommended value to record data. Now, wait for Improve X to resolve the records. After the records are active, you can send yourself a test email. As you can see, the email arrived in your inbox. Choose the email sending SMTP option. Scroll down to 1K. You will see the free plan. Please use a custom email address. You can use the one we created a few minutes ago. This is because SMTP to go does not accept share email domains. Fill in the required info. When you are in the SMTP to go dashboard, click on Verified Senders from the sidebar. Click Add Sender Domain. Input your domain name. You can optionally change some of the record subdomains. Click on the CNAME records option. Input the first part of the host name to record source. Enter this value to record destination. Do the same for the other records. Wait for SMTP to go to resolve the records. After the records are active, you can start sending emails. We have this test email script. The source is in the description. Go to SMTP users. Click on Add SMTP user. Fill in the fields. Input the username and password. For the SMTP host, enter mail.smtp2go.com. Leave the port as 587. The sender email is something at your domain.com. Sender and recipient name can be anything. Recipient email is the person's email address you want to send to. As you can see, you have successfully sent the email. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!